The advent of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency has been a major disruption in the world of finance and banking. Blockchain is a revolutionary new technology that offers faster and more secure transactions than traditional banking, while cryptocurrency is a digital form of money that is decentralized and secured using cryptography. Together, these technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way we handle money and financial transactions. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of cryptocurrency and blockchain, and how they could shape the future of digital currency. If you are joining us for the first time, please subscribe and turn on the notification to keep the videos coming. The digital currency has become a hot topic in recent years, with the potential to revolutionize global financial transactions. It is also known as a cryptocurrency or virtual currency, and it refers to a digital asset that operates as a medium of exchange for goods and services. Unlike traditional currencies, digital currency is not backed by a physical commodity, nor is it regulated by any central authority. Instead, digital currency is created and maintained through a process known as cryptography, which uses complex mathematical algorithms to secure and verify financial transactions. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a viable alternative to traditional currency in recent years, offering unique advantages to investors and users. In this video, we will take a look at the concept of digital currency, explain what cryptocurrency is and how it works, as well as discussing the benefits of using cryptocurrency and how blockchain technology works. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that is secured by cryptography. This means that it uses encryption techniques to control the creation of currency and verify the transfer of funds. Cryptocurrencies operate independently from a central bank, and the value of the currency is based on market supply and demand. Cryptocurrency works using a distributed ledger system, called a blockchain. This ledger records every transaction made using the currency and stores it in a secure, distributed database. Every transaction is added to the blockchain, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double-spend coins. This decentralized system also makes cryptocurrency difficult to regulate. Cryptocurrencies use decentralized consensus to confirm transactions, meaning that transactions are verified by all users of the blockchain, rather than by a centralized authority like a bank. Transactions are verified and secured through a process called mining, where computers compete to solve complex algorithms and confirm transactions. Cryptocurrencies can be used to purchase goods or services, and some companies even accept cryptocurrencies as payment for products or services. Cryptocurrencies are also used for investment purposes, allowing investors to buy and hold coins with the expectation that their value will increase over time. The main difference between cryptocurrency and traditional money is that it does not have a physical form and is not backed by any government or central bank. While it has some similarities to regular money, such as being accepted as a medium of exchange, its decentralized nature makes it a highly volatile asset. The prices of cryptocurrencies are subject to extreme fluctuations and can be unpredictable at times. As such, investing in cryptocurrencies is often considered a high-risk endeavor. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrency operates on a distributed ledger technology, which is commonly known as a blockchain. This ledger records all transactions, which are then verified and stored on the network. Each transaction is permanently recorded, and this record cannot be altered or deleted. In order for a transaction to occur with cryptocurrency, two parties need to agree on the terms of the transaction. The details of this transaction are broadcast to the network, where miners are responsible for verifying the accuracy of the transaction. The miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical equations in order to verify the authenticity of the transaction. Once a miner has solved the equation, they add a block to the blockchain and receive a reward in the form of cryptocurrency. After the transaction is added to the blockchain, it is immutable and irreversible, meaning that it can never be changed or reversed. The advantages of cryptocurrency include its low cost, quick transfer speeds, and high levels of privacy and security. Cryptocurrency also eliminates the need for a middleman, such as a bank or credit card company, which reduces transaction fees and makes transfers easier. What are the benefits of cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is becoming increasingly popular as a payment option and has many benefits. For starters, it provides a secure form of online payments that can't be counterfeited or reversed like other forms of payment. This makes it ideal for both consumers and merchants alike. Transactions are also incredibly fast and borderless. meaning that users can send money to anyone in the world almost instantly with minimal fees. Cryptocurrency is also very appealing due to its decentralized nature. Transactions are stored on a public ledger, known as the blockchain, that is not controlled by any central authority. This means that no one can manipulate the system or freeze user accounts. Furthermore, cryptocurrency is anonymous, which gives users more control over their finances and allows them to remain private. In addition, cryptocurrency is non-inflationary. Since new coins are created at a predetermined rate, the supply of coins remains stable and will not be devalued due to an influx of new coins. This makes it much more predictable than fiat currency, which can be affected by inflation. Overall, cryptocurrency offers users more control over their finances, greater security, and faster transactions at lower costs. It also has the potential to revolutionize the global economy by giving people access to a decentralized financial system that is outside of government control. How does blockchain work? Blockchain technology is the backbone of many digital currencies and is a critical component of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Blockchain is a type of distributed ledger, meaning it stores and transmits information across a network of computers. The data stored in the ledger is secure and incorruptible, making it virtually impossible to hack or manipulate. In a blockchain, all transactions are recorded on a shared public ledger. This ledger is continuously updated and verified by thousands of computers within the network, which ensures that the data stored is accurate and up to date. Each transaction is encrypted with a cryptographic signature known as a hash. This hash is then added to the blockchain, creating a chain of digital blocks that cannot be changed or deleted. The result is a secure and immutable record of all transactions that have taken place within the network. Because the blockchain is decentralized, it operates without the need for a central authority or third party. This means that transactions are faster, cheaper, and more secure than traditional methods. It also allows users to remain anonymous while conducting transactions, making it ideal for those who want to keep their financial information private. Overall, blockchain technology offers a unique way to store and transfer digital assets in a secure and efficient manner. By leveraging this innovative technology, businesses can unlock new opportunities for growth and financial inclusion. And that's all for today's video. If you'd like to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.